Hello there. We're visiting today with the new Seydel Symphony ALU, and I thought we would take a moment and just talk about the covers. Now, I've been preaching for quite a few years that the covers of a harmonica have a tremendous impact on the tone, and their shaping is very, very critical. These are unusual in that it's cast aluminum covers. Cast aluminum, both on the ALU model and on the acrylic comb, which is green. They both have the same cover set. They're quite heavy aluminum cast covers, and they give a darker, richer tone to the sound, which you can hear. Beautiful, nice, rich tone. And so suppose that you have something under here you want to take a look at. Well, what you do is you just take your screwdriver and you take one little screw out. And these are pretty monster, pretty good sized screws. See, they're quite large, plunk. And then I can take the other one off. And so you have a different screw set for the top and the bottom. Why is that important? Well, you know when all the parts are coming loose on a harp when you take it apart and the covers are both jumping around and sometimes you'll whack a reed by accident? When you have the ability to take them off one at a time, the covers, half and half, you get to the side you want to work on, but there's something under here still protecting that you can hold the instrument. This is a design plus, and I think that these covers are just tremendous in the shape. It's a real design improvement that I'm so pleased with. I think it's a great thing, and I do love the tone. So then when you want to put them back on, you just saw it's easy as pie here. I just come in here and put my little screws in. There's one. And of course, it's all held together on the bottom because it's still screwed on the bottom. The bottom cover's still tight. Let me come here. And just come in like that. Easy enough, huh? I'm just kind of snug them up like that. And there you have the covers. Nice comfy button. And of course this is a Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece that I designed. It's a cool ice model. My lips don't touch the mouthpiece anymore, and I play it dry. I don't have to lick my lips, so the harp stays clean, but that's another item completely. But anyhow, that's the story on the covers. Very nice finish on them too. It's either a powder coat paint or some other covering, but whatever type of covering it is, it's very comfortable to the hand, and the covers give you a great grip. See that scallop thing? They're scallops. You got something to hold on to, very secure, and at the same time they flare so that the sound is broadcast. I'm going to give them an A+ on the covers. They're dynamite. Such a great design, a really, really positive step by Seydel. This is a redesigned, unusual instrument. It's not like anything they made before. I think it's better, too.